Hey, you guys, listen, if you follow me on other social media networks, you guys should know that I have locks, but a lot of people forget that I have locks because I wear wigs all the time. So I do want to do this really quick video to show you how I hide my locks under my wigs. Now, what I've learned is you just need it to be flat in the front. The back is a different story. That's none of our business. It ain't my business. It ain't yours. So don't look back there because, listen, it feels like I have a pamper back there. But anyway, I just make sure that my retwist is kind of fresh. And then I just really try to smooth it down in the front and put all of my locks in a ponytail in the back. This is the first time I'm really seeing what my locks look like from the back, by the way, because I don't really film, obviously. But yeah, I just use a goodie hairband and I don't even make it tight. I just try to stretch it and make it really flat and, so it can really hold my locks in the front, almost like a puff. You know how puffs work? Like you only wrap it once, but it be holding it. So then the back, I just crisscross it like this. Again, it's giving pamper. It's giving lock pamper. And then I just put on my wig cap. Now listen, don't laugh at my wig cap. This is the only one that fits over my locks. And as you can see, y'all, it is not even flat. It is so bulky and big, but I make it work somehow. I'll be tired. Look at me. And then the nails don't help. Usually when it's more bulky like this, it's not as flat. It's because I can't really get in there, especially with my nails. That's why that wig cap was all torn up, y'all. So Taylor usually will help me. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do. And I'll just keep molding it and trying to flatten the locks as much as I can. This is a glueless wig, so you do not have to use glue at all. But I do use Got To Be hairspray, which is such a weird name for a product because it's not glue, but it says glued. It's hairspray that really melts the lace onto your skin. I usually put it above my hairline, more on my forehead. But yeah, again, this video is just to show you that ponytail process. But if you're interested in this wig that I'm wearing, I'll make sure to put all the info in the description box. And I'll also put my coupon code so you can save. I think you can save $100 or maybe $200. But yeah, all the links will be in the description box. And I'm giving this wig away. So make sure you go catch up on all my other videos. The giveaway is for 7 days, and RPGSHOW is going to pick a winner, and I'm going to pick a winner. And basically, you just go watch the video, comment, and the comment with the most likes and engagement is going to be the winner. But anyway, I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Bye.